Good morning. Today we will discuss arenes in BSc Part 1 Chemistry. Yesterday we discussed alkyne. Now we will discuss nomenclature of arenes. The point is introduction. Chemists have classified organic compounds into two classes, aliphatic and aromatic. The term aromatic compounds was first used by Kekulé to classify benzene and its derivatives, many of which possessed fragrant odor or aroma. As new facts came to light, the term aromatic came to be associated with chemical stability rather than any aroma. Aromatic compounds have higher percentage of carbon than aliphatic compounds. These compounds are called aromatic hydrocarbon. Aromatic compound resemble benzene in chemical behavior. If a hydrogen atom of benzene is replaced by an alkyl, alkanyl or aryl groups, the hydrocarbon so obtained is termed as arene, for example, ethyl benzene. Those aromatic hydrocarbons which contain more than one benzene ring are called polynuclear aromatic compounds. For example, naphthalene, anthracene, diphenyl methane. In the monosubstituted aromatic hydrocarbons, the substituent groups can be placed as prefix to the word benzene. Common or tribal name of some arenes have been accepted in the IUPAC system. The common names are shown in parentheses and those accepted by IUPAC system are marked with asterisk sign. The names of few of them are as follows. This is benzene, toluene methyl benzene, ethyl benzene, phenyl benzene, cumene. This is also known as isopropyl benzene, tetra, aryl, butyl, benzene. This is isobutyl benzene, 2-methyl 3-phenyl pentane. This is allyl benzene. Disubstituted arene, nomenclature of disubstituted aromatic hydrocarbons. When there are two substituents on the ring, 3-position isomers are possible. For example, ortho, meta and para, abbreviated as O for 1-2 position adjacent, M is 1-3 position alternate, P is 1-4 position across. If both substituents are different, their names are written in alphabetical order. For example, orthoxylene, 1,2 dimethyl benzene, metaxylene, and this is paraxylene. Nomenclature of tri-substituted and polysubstituted arenes. Tri-substituted arenes are basically of three types. First is 1, 2, 3 derivative prefix used vicinal, 1, 2, 4 derivative prefix used unsymmetrical, 1, 3, 5 derivative prefix used symmetrical. For example, 1, 2, 3 trimethyl benzene or vicinal trimethyl benzene. Second is 1,2,4 triethyl benzene or unsymmetrical triethyl benzene. 1,3,5 triethyl benzene or symmetrical triethyl benzene. Another examples are 1,2-dimethyl 1,3-propyl benzene, 1,3,5 trimethyl benzene or symmetrical trimethyl benzene or macetylene, 1,2,4,5 tetramethyl benzene, 1-ethyl 1,2,3,4 trimethyl benzene. Polynuclear aromatic hydrocarbons. Polynuclear aromatic hydrocarbons, that is, compounds having more than one benzene ring, is a member of this group. Polynuclear aromatic hydrocarbon include individual benzene ring, example diphenylmethane, triphenylmethane, etc., or fused ring having two carbon atoms common to two rings, example naphthalene, anthracene, etc. When two benzene rings are separated by a single bond, then its name is written by introducing a prefix "bi" before the name of hydrocarbon radical, starting from the joining point of the two rings. One benzene ring is numbered by prime numbers and the other by unprimed numbers. For example, biphenyl. This is biphenyl. Another is diphenyl methane. Other examples are triphenyl methane, diphenyl acetylene, 1,2-diphenyl ethylene, etc. When two benzene rings are fused at ortho positions, the compound so obtained is named as naphthalene. If three rings are fused linearly at ortho position, anthracene is formed, whereas if three benzene rings are fused angularly, phenanthrene is obtained. Examples are naphthalene, anthracene, phenanthrene. Substituted aromatic hydrocarbon radicals. Univalent radicals are obtained on removal of one hydrogen atom from any carbon of the benzene or monopoly substituted benzene nucleus. The carbon atom with the free valency is always numbered as 1. They in general are denoted by AR. The simplest aryl group is phenyl, C6H5. Phenyl group can also be written as PH or C6H5. For example, C6H5 or PH or phenyl. C6H5 CH3 orthotolulyl, metatolulyl, paratolulyl, 2,3-xylyl, 3,4-xylyl, macetyl paracuminyl, orthonaphthyl, beta-naphthyl, etc. The alkyl or alkenyl or alkanyl group attached to benzene ring is known as side chain. When a hydrogen atom of the side chain is removed, side chain radicals are obtained. For example, benzyl, benzyl, and benzo. Another examples are diphenyl methyl, triphenyl methyl, orthosteryl, beta-steryl. So this is all about nomenclature of mono-substituted arenes, nomenclature of tri-substituted and poly-substituted arenes. Thank you.